So as you can see, that's just pure rust. Bit of dirt in there. Well, that's dirt. But all that is just thick rust. Anywho, we'll sort that out. I'll just grab the light. So as you can see, that whole plate has just raised up, delaminated, and if I scratch through that, which I will, it just goes to show you that there's way more. Just see a little bit of rust. It's not just a little bit, so I might just have a little scratch there. See if that'll hang there. So just from that little scratch, look how much just popped out, and that is all steel. So let's go again. As you can see, yeah, that's right through that bottom layer, and it's not as bad as the other side because it's only punched through the chassis in that front bottom section. Anyway, I'll cut these off and we'll start getting into making the new ones. There we go. Does have some form of vent in there, but yeah, not adequate if you're in the land of Australia and all its crazy laws and requirements. But yeah, as you can see, rust sort of gets in there. Yeah, it went a bit deep there with the oxy, but it's only in the top of that cross member. So that took 36 minutes all up just to roll that, all those two. We'll just have a look at the other side. Mind you, it's a lot easier with the right tools and a rotator, so you'd be doing all that upside down. But yeah, as you can see, this is the right hand side, and yeah, it's a lot worse than the left. But yeah, you can see it's got some sort of vent there and there, but as I said, we'll do it as per the requirement. But what I was saying here, so when I put a new piece across here, it will have the vents, 4 of them, but also I'm going to cut, I probably won't remove that, but I'm going to cut the plate out there and put to take it from there, so I can pick up this cross member in this face and drill, once that's gone, drill through to the other side and pick up that that cross member. Once that's done, weld a new bit in with 4 new fan holes there, and then when the new piece goes over, job done. So yeah, I'll get about cleaning all that up and making a new one of those. I'll probably remake that whole section, but anyway, looks like that is a C-set. Well, I'll be able to get away with a bit of 89 SHS, square hollow section by 4. That's 3.5 mil. So 89 before isn't really going to affect anything. You just have to be wary of that dimension there. I'll be making up those new bushes anyway, so I might just skim 0.5 or whatever off there and match it. But it's like that little gusset goes all the way through, and then that plate joins to that underneath. But anyway, yeah, it must be similar to that stiffener angle. Anyway, I'll make new ones of that up. I'll show you how to make that. Might even do a little thing on the lathe, how to whip them, do it all up, and away we go. Righto, cut that out. As you can see, there's a lot of sand in there. Yeah, that gusset there, in there, that's where I had trouble pulling out my chassis wire. Got jammed in there somewhere, so it's a bit of a heads up if you're feeding something through. You can see there's holes again going into the cross member, but again there's only 3 So yeah, not big enough. So there, that's what I'm saying. I'll drill them out. Probably same spot at a fourth, forward 25mm. Anyway, I'll clean all this up and yeah, keep cracking.